So if you look at any PV system today, any solar systems, you will notice that the efficiency of the cells is key to the performance of the entire systems. The incumbent solar cell technology is based on silicon. The thing with this technology, it will run into its practical limits in terms of efficiency in only a couple of years. Now, Oxford PV, we bring in the perovskite on silicon cells. These cells start with 20% more efficiency than the silicon, and then we actually increase year by year with a roadmap going up to 40% more efficiency than silicon. This, at the same time, is a plug-and-play technology. Our cells fit perfectly into the existing infrastructure of solar. This has the potential to enable European Union to produce modules of the highest efficiency and to have a substantial and sustainable advantage to competitors from Asia and the US. And additionally, of course, we will be able to create thousands of jobs. And with the right financial and financing framework for the European Union, we at Oxford PV are ready to go from our megawatt phase that we have today with our German factory and scale up to the gigawatt phase in 23-24.